Ready to explode your taste buds? Welcome to the freshest ride of your life. Mallorca Fun Card. Juicy, tangy, oh wait, it's so fresh. Can you feel the crispness? Can you taste the freshness? Oh, you bet you can. Get ready for a flavor smackdown. From sizzling skewers to juicy burgers, from Spanish tapas to sushi rolls. Global tastes? We got them all, baby! We're cooking up a storm with the world's best flavors, just for you. Thirsty? Bam! Coffee, burgers, drinks, whatever you need to fuel your fun. From street bites to gourmet delights, we've got the perfect plate for every taste. End your day with a taste of the good life. Mallorca Fun Card, where your foodie dreams come true. Don't just eat. Explore. Experience. Review. Mallorca Fun Card. Let's make it unforgettable.